The 1 ounce Pearl Harbor gold coin pays tribute to one of the most prolific moments in world history, the attack on Pearl Harbor and our country's official entry into World War II. Exclusively available through U.S. Money Reserve, this limited production gold bullion coin is a unique 24-karat gold coin authorized as official legal tender. History comes to life with each 75th anniversary Pearl Harbor gold coin, made from the highest purity possible, 0.9999 solid gold. The reverse design features an iconic scene of 3 intricately engraved U.S. Navy ships set against a backdrop of Pacific waves and Hawaii's mountainous landscape as 2 Imperial Japanese Zero fighter planes fly overhead. The obverse honors our wartime allies, Australia and Great Britain, with an official portrait of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II. U.S. Money Reserve is proud to partner with Australia's prestigious Perth Mint, one of the most established government mints in the world, to create the first government-issued gold coin to commemorate the 75th anniversary of Pearl Harbor. 1 ounce Pearl Harbor gold coin specifications. Year of issue 2016. Denomination $100 US. Condition brilliant uncirculated. Grading service not applicable with bullion. Metal content 1 troy ounce. Purity 0.9999 gold 24 karat. Mint mark P for Perth Mint. Mint facility manufacturer Perth Mint, Australia. Issuing country is Tuvalu. Diameter 32.60 millimeter. Obverse designer Ian Rank Broadley. Reverse designer Thomas Vaughn.